Hello guys, welcome to this video. I will show you in this tutorial how to toggle the Zen mode inside VS Code. Zen mode is a little bit different from full screen. So first of all, to enable Zen mode, you need to go to the view section and go to appearance, and then you will see this option of Zen mode, and simply click this option to enter into Zen mode. So now inside Zen mode, you still don't see any kind of sidebar, you don't see any kind of title or any sort of this. This is similar to full screen, but I prefer full screen over the Zen mode, so I don't like the Zen mode at all. So now to disable this, you can again type the shortcut key Control Shift P, and then it will be there inside your command palette, and just right here search for this Zen mode and then click it, and now the Zen mode will be disabled. So I prefer this shortcut key even more, which is Control Shift P, and just typing here Zen mode rather than clicking on the menu item. It's very fast as well. So you can toggle between enabling and disabling your Zen mode very easily. So it is created because don't want distraction while writing your code. So I personally don't like this mode. So quite a number of options. We also have this shortcut key Control KZ. This is the shortcut key. So please hit that like button guys, subscribe the channel as well, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.